In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your notes in Google Keep, and we'll do this in about 5 minutes. Now, if you've ever accidentally deleted a note or just want to retrieve something from your Google Keep trash, don't worry, we've got you covered. This straightforward process will help you recover those notes and put them back right where they belong. First things first, open your Google browser. This is where all the magic happens. Once your browser is up and running, focus your attention on the top right corner. You'll see a symbol that most of us are familiar with, the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid made up of dots. Go ahead and click on that icon. After you've done that, a menu will unveil itself, displaying a range of Google applications. You'll want to scroll through these apps until you spot the vibrant yellow icon labeled Keep. It might take a moment, but once you've found it, click on Keep to open up the application. Now that you're in Google Keep, direct your eyes to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find the navigation pane. One of the options you'll see is labeled Trash, and it's exactly where we need to go next. So click on Trash to enter this section. Once you're in the trash section, you'll have a clear view of all the notes that have been discarded. Browse through them and locate the note you want to restore. This part might remind you of looking for a needle in a haystack if there are many notes, but stay focused, and when you find it, select that note. With your desired note selected, your next task is to look for the restore icon. This icon usually resembles a small clock with a circular arrow, which signifies bringing things back to their original state. Click on that restore icon, and just like that, you've set the restoration process into motion. Finally, to complete the process, navigate your way back to the main notes section in Google Keep. You should find that the note you just restored has reappeared in your collection, right where it's supposed to be. It's like turning back time and bringing your thoughts back to life. There you have it, a simple, effective way to recover your notes in Google Keep. This process ensures that those mistakenly deleted or temporarily forgotten notes are not lost forever. Keeping our digital lives organized is important, and now you have the knowledge to do just that in Google Keep, recovering anything that might have been accidentally sent to the trash. Thank you for joining us today, and happy note keeping.